Hello everyone, today's video is step number 2 of the GDLC training, which is how to get 10 referrals or 10 sign-ups to GDLC for free every day on Facebook. Of course, you can use this method elsewhere on Instagram, blogs, and forums. So please, if you have missed step 1 of the training, go back and watch it now and create your landing page in 5 minutes easy. You can find the link in the description and then come back and complete step number 2. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Al Hassan. I'm a member in Guaranteed Downline Club or GDLC since July 23rd, 2021. And if you don't know already this, you get paid $5 as soon as you join as a free and basic member, and you earn 50 cents for every person who signs up through your referral link. So if you didn't join GDLC yet, you can join now. You can find the link in the description box down below this video and start making money as of today. Anyway, let's go to the topic of this right video, which is how to get minimum 10 referrals to GDLC or any other product that you want to promote on Facebook. So first thing I suggest you to do is to join all these 10 Facebook groups. You can find the link down this video to a Google document with all these groups listed in it. Go ahead and open it and start joining every group. This list is not exclusive. You can go to Facebook and search for groups related to make money online and join interested groups with more than 20k members. Now, after joining a few groups and being accepted, let's go and start posting in these groups. I suggest you to post 2 to 3 times a day. You can go until 10 posts per day, but not more than that, because Facebook can restrict you or lock your Facebook account if you post too many times per day. It can be considered as spam, and so Facebook can prevent you from posting. So take this as a prevention for your Facebook account. Now let me just show you an example of a post that I have posted just 3 days ago, and you can see it here. Here it is. You can see I have just written, I won't make you rich, but I can show you how you can make $5 every 24 hours, a result like mine, with a screenshot of my earnings in GDLC, and that's it. I have got more than 140 comments, which is pretty good. But as you know, they are not all of them interested to join GDLC, because among them are spammers and scammers. So to be fair, let's say only a 10 to 20% of 140 comments will convert as signups. Actually, I have got more than 10 people from this post who were interested to join GDLC. Now let's go back to the Google document and scroll down. You can find here some examples of posts that you can use. There are 5 examples of posts, and be creative. You can change the text with your own touch and then attach a screenshot of your actual earnings to your post. It can be useful and attractive to people in the group, or you can use mine if you want. That's the only way I'm using to get a minimum of 10 referrals per day in GDLC, and you can copy my method that I have just explained to you. Very easy, posting in Facebook groups every 2 or 3 hours, and people will start commenting on your post, requesting information, and then you comment back to everyone by telling them inbox me privately in Messenger for details to join. Then after that, they send you a message on Messenger. You can explain to them what GDLC is about. And I have written the script of what to say to your prospects. You can take it as it is, or you can modify it to your own. So let's go back to our Google document and scroll down. You can see here Messenger prospects script. You can use this script when interested people send you a message in Messenger. First, reply to them by hello, my name is, type your name. I'm a member in GDLC since date, and I'll show you how you can make $5 every 24 hours for free. And then you type every message here. This is a short explanation of what GDLC is about, minimum payout. Then you ask them if they are really interested. If they are, they will reply to you yes, and after that you reply to them, message number 5, and you reply to them with your GDLC affiliate link here. We have arrived at the end of step number 2 of the training. I hope you liked it, and I hope you will apply everything I have explained in order to start getting tens of signups every day in GDLC for free. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video, and leave a comment and I'll reply to everyone, and see you in the next video.